Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you that the Lord said, commit all your plans to me. There's a preload. You can begin again. Stop the nonsense. Stop the foolishness. I want you to stop in doing the evil things. Head above. Focus ahead. See the front in yourselves. See the front line. I am there for you. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.